4 plus 6 times 2 minus 3. 4 plus 6 will give us 10. Then we have 10 times 2 minus 3. 10 times 2 will give us 20. 20 minus 3 will give us 17. 17 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes first before addition and subtraction. So we work with our multiplication first. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, 6 times 2 will give us 12. We put down our 12 here. Then we have 4 plus 12 minus 3. Then in this expression, we have an addition and a subtraction. We first of all work with our addition because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So we work from our left to our right. 4 plus 12 will give us 16. 16 minus 3 will give us 13. 13 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.